listen. Until I'm dead or gone, man. I'ma keep coming.
Morris Production.
I show love to the fakest ones, breaking my back just to show them love. They say their heart could be the weakest, throwing shade, I don't really need this. They say they want me around, but it's hard to believe it. So I just go for what I know, and mama keep telling me to keep my eyes on these hoes. And I keep calling for my bro, but he ain't here no more. So I just put my all into this music, so every day I'm trying to abuse it. Yeah. I'm just trying to abuse it. Yeah. Just trying to abuse it. Listen to that rainfall, and I'm steady missing phone calls. So just listen to that rainfall, but I'm still missing phone calls. Yeah. Listen to that rainfall. Shit, I'm steady missing phone calls.
Morris Production.
I said and wrote this on some light shit. You a bad bitch, but that's just something I just can't get lost with. I told y'all, bro, I'm back and I'm better. Putting this pen to work like a brand new sweater. It's time I let the truth be told, cause nigga, I'm getting too old. Y'all niggas been so. Remember when y'all left me for dead? When that bitch tried to take off my head, cutting the corners, I just couldn't believe it. I gotta call it and I'm here to receive it. Man, listen to that rainfall, cause I'm steady missing phone calls. Yeah, man, listen to that rainfall when I'm still missing phone calls. So just listen to that rainfall when I'm still missing phone calls. Just listen to that rainfall. Yeah, and I'm still missing phone calls.